Hi guys, I'm not sure if you guys know, but I've been trying to collect PC parts to build my own PC, and I've been waiting for these two parts for forever now. So this baby came in today, and dun 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 dun! I've been waiting for this for so long. It's so hard to get your hands on these. So now that I have all the PC parts to build a PC, I will try to make some videos on building my PC, but I have no idea what I'm doing. So YouTube it is, and I'll keep you guys posted on when I finish building my PC. Stay tuned.